the lair, for all your private server and VoIP needs.
And we're back, guys. Odin's on here with Terror-Byte Gaming with another little mechanical cherry keycap related video. A few of you were sending us messages on the Facebook page asking what the actual keys look like on a mechanical keyboard, so just going to use this little video to show you how easy it is to swap out your keycaps. Let's see. First off, I decided to change my question mark to the Riddler from Batman Forever, and I'm hoping that this is a refresh key, so I'm going to swap out my F5 for this because it looks pretty cool. Right, and again I've opted for the wire grip keycap puller as opposed to the standard cap puller. Prefer this one. So just slide it right, and so we can't really see. Apply a little bit of force, and the key will just pop off. Let's see. Just pop the other one on. Yeah, looks pretty cool. Every mechanical keyboard, every company will have their own different layout, profiles for levels of the keys. It's a slightly different angle, but it's a question mark. What else are you going to use it for? And the F5. Pop it off. Put it back on again. Looks good, looks good. Again, these keys were very kindly sent out to us from the guys at Techkeys.us. You can see the link down in the description. Be sure to check them out. I'll catch you guys later.